Good morning, friends. My name is Sitaram. Today is the live daily English conversation is the very most every day and continue my English talk about in languages very clear and do touch your conversation living of times environmental science educational okay requirement suggestion that's okay. Okay, and today is the my discuss Amazon jungles are this is very majority and house and government South America government and the rule follow and continue this atmosphere and lithosphere this the managemental area today discuss about this my point every day thinking your managemental area to life area today thinkers this is area is the very dangerous and very hurtful area Amazon river and Amazon jungle big food provided and very chemical and hard animals and kid mosquito and Hindi is purposely, Bisamposhi and Soposi three types for animals and very hard way danger to life environment situation is living of town environmental situation by thinkers and globalization your country and very hardness and the thickness about this the continue everyday functional about the living of that environmental situation about continue my this is topic discuss about this clarity or function about the lesson of time environmental suggestion this is the living of theory managemental area continue this is the discuss your this life engagemental in this the management age your South African president and go through your management area and high different areas in this the cutting your tree and very destroy your animals farms and very oxygen decreasing and managemental area discuss your this environmental CO2 increase directful environment atmosphere effect and natural climate and weather situation for living of times requirement suggestion for after living of environmental suggestion continue by this is theory and purposes how living of times environmental suggestion your thinking your today's the harvest opportunities continue living of environmental suggestion for our thinkers here continue my life engagemental and situation so fully and our is the living of times continue and go through engagemental science environmental educational thoughts living of types environmental situation by four this we continue this is the meaning for this the cutting your tree and this the food provided is the chemical direct food mix it and go through her factory your this the convection this is very different types of requirement suggestion food and all trade tea requirement suggestion food generally go through living of times environmental suggestion food and globalization environmental suggestion food and her every such due to every functional and every human working and my earth destroy and situation about and high speed technological working through and her tree is the cutting for and very different part of speech and this the very decreasing and my environmental and O3 situation very destroyed. After this, the living of times environmental situation by due to every morning and has your simple way continue. This is very difficult situation, multiple area, difficult situation. Otherwise, this is the very difficult spend your times two times living of environmental suggestion for career and this is the faculty of convention working that's of living of environmental suggestion and big percent this is the food of chandan and glowing your this is the soap make for factory and high table and this is very hard working types chair and everybody provided for this is the black grapes and very high sweet mangoes and different areas for other situation areas and this the environment utility for study and snake and very dangerous area and very different that is the daldal area nobody conversation everybody and otherwise this the transportation area in this the port american south america is continue this working in this the slow motion is the labor and asian countries go through working and this the high reaches percent south america very glowing and the dangerous areas okay requirement and this the tree is 5 June Environment Day and International Environment Day 2010 date fix International Court Directful Environmental Safe and Suggestion Vote and this that European countries the directful effect and then the no factory establishment your air pollution big situation and the issues our is the big different areas continue to reach the very simple and O3 ozone layer this is the destroy part and direct from south africa and this the very illness this the skiing ill very destroy happy this the node journey requirement suggestion for the continue okay requirement suggestion. Thank you everyone.